And we're going to move on to our children's portion, which is
All right.
kind of a fun thing. It's, kids, my son always loved cucumbers from an early age.
They're crunchy. I think kids like the texture sometimes of a crunchy
Exactly.
choice.
It's a nice variation of a potato
But
chip.
this is something different. It's almost like the, like you would have like the peanut butter on celery type of thing, so I don't know if you would do peanut.
That's a big hit.
So this is kind of like a variation on peanut butter on celery. It's peanut butter. It's sunflower butter on cucumbers.
Okay, but
So,
I like the creativity and varying that up a
The
little
different
bit.
thing here too is you can take a ring mold and just, have your kids cut some like unusual shapes with the ring mold.
Oh, kids love
we have
shapes,
some
and that's a fun thing. And you can do, just any kind of little, like even
So we got
a
heart
cookie
shapes.
cutter might be able to.
Yeah,
If you have a deep cookie cutter.
Shapes and sizes and getting
Go
them
with all
involved in the
different
meal.
So you want
It just makes it fun, and even an older child could help do this.
yeah.
I think when you involve kids with actually participating with the meal, they're a lot more likely to want to then sit down and eat it because they put their time and
Right.
energy and talent into it.
Time and effort,
It's important for them
exactly.
to understand where food comes from, how you produce it,
Yeah.
how it's everything, start to finish. So.
And what healthy diet consists of. That we do have, vegetables with our meals.